Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we reshape a capsule button using the direct selection tool. Start by selecting the capsule shape. Pull the left anchor inward to tighten the curve and also adjust the handles for smoothness. Now widen the shape using the right anchor. Control the curves with accurate handle pulling. Bend the top mid segment to flatten the surface. Slightly curve the bottom for a rounded feel. Now zoom in to check alignment. Fix small distortion by adjusting handles. Ensure both ends match evenly. Refine curves for softness. Review top and bottom arcs carefully. Apply small finishing corrections. The button now